Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set default value for date and time field in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before that, here we would like to inform you that we have recently launched a Salesforce course specially for a Salesforce administrator, and even if you are a beginner, then you will easily understand the topics and the content of the course. And here also a limited time offer of 50% discount for the early birds. And you will get the lifetime access of the course. And you can buy the course through the link that we are mentioned in the description box. This Salesforce admin training course is from beginner to advanced and has a 9 plus module with the real business scenarios and have a 21 plus hour of HD videos. And we also provide a course material like PDFs and solution and one-to-one doubt clear and interview preparation session, and also provide a certification of completion and internship and placement opportunities also. So you can subscribe this course and learn a lot about the Salesforce administrator part. So let's move to our topic. So this is my Salesforce Lightning Core, and here we are going to learn how to set default value for date and time field in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon and then click on the setup, and then select the Object Manager tab that is present on the nav bar, and then enter the opportunity in the search box, and our opportunities comes at the top, and select this opportunity object. The opportunity page is open. Now select the field and relationship that is present under the details section. Here we can see the lots of fields are already created and we want to create a new one, so we click on the new button. Now here we select the field type, and here we are selecting the date and time field type. So click on the date and time checkbox and then hit the next button. Now enter the details related to the opportunity custom field, and here we are first entering the field label that is a closed date, and then enter the field name which is automatically filled. Then scroll to the bottom. Here we can see there is a default value field present, and here we are entering the default value as now open brackets plus 30. We set the default value close date to be 30 days from the current date. After setting the default value, we hit the next button. Now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security, and here we want to set the field level security for all the profiles, so that's why we click on the visible checkbox and then hit the next button. Now select add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts, and we want to change the location of this field on the page, so we need to customize the page layout and hit the save button. And here we go, our close date with the date and time data type is created successfully. Now click on the app launcher and enter the sales and hit the sale option. Here we select the opportunity tab that is present on the nav bar. Our opportunity record page is open, but we want to create a new record, so that's why we click on the new button. Our new opportunity dialog box is open. Now enter the opportunity name. Here we are entering this opportunity name, and then scroll to the bottom, and here we are selecting the type, then stage, and then select the close date, and then enter the amount, and then scroll to the bottom. Here we can see set the due date, and then enter the currency. And here we can see the default value of the close date is already set to be the 30 days from the current date. Now move ahead and discuss about how to set default value for the date and time field in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly click on the profile picture and then click on the switch to Salesforce Classic option. Our classic version is open. Now select the setup option and then enter the object in the quick find box and then select the object of our custom object page is open. Now scroll to the bottom and here we want to select the task object. So we hit the task object option. Our task object page is open. Now scroll to the bottom and here we can see in the custom fields and relationship section present. Here lots of fields are already created but we want to create a new field, so that's why we click on the new button. Now here we choose the field type and here we are choosing the date and time field checkbox and then hit the next button. Now enter the details related to the task custom field and here we are entering the field label as a due date and time and then enter the field name which is automatically filled. Then scroll to the bottom and here we want to set the default value and here we are setting the default value as now open brackets plus 7. This default value show the due date and time for the new record to be 1 week from the current date and time and then hit the next button. Now establish the field level security. Here we want to select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to this field level security. And here we want to set the field level security for profiles. So that's why we click on the visible checkbox and then hit the next button. Now add to the page layout, select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts and then hit the save button. And here we go, we can see our due date and time with the date and time data type is created. Now we check our default value is set or not. So for this, we click on the task object, search the task object. Here is the task object and our task record page is open. Now we want to create a new record. That's why we click on the new button. And here we enter the task name as a Salesforce task. And here we go, we can see our default value for the due date and time for the new record to be 1 week from the current date. So with this, we have learned how to set default value for date and time field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.